Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily change the dust bag in your ECOVACS Deebot X1 Plus. So first, you open the charging machine, just like that, and here you pull this out. Now, after you have taken your old dust bag, simply get a new one, and now what you need to do is insert it just like that, all the way down, and now close it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.